If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And it is free, alright? Yes, yes. Please subscribe. Yeah, there we go. Yes, come on, come on. Good job. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Alright, as you always...
Okay, so what do you think about that? I mean, what a pathetic accent. Just try to talk normal, no offense. Why are we so crazy about American and British accent? What's the big deal? I don't know, bro, SK, I mean, I don't know. There's no big deal being trying to learn like good thing, whether be it American, whether be the British. I mean, my only concern that I'm changing my accent or something that you don't like to hear, which you think like it's a fake accent. It can be because it is not our first language, which I totally agree. If I have to being honest with you, that you commenting on my pathetic accent, I don't mind and I don't feel shame. For me, the most important thing is learning something new every day. Me, instead of talking like in our own accent, my mom is telling me to go to church. If I don't go to church, my local community, my village people auntie will gossip me. So I don't want to miss the church. I will be the piper little. So yeah, seriously, do you want me to speak like that in Tangkol accent? Because this person is my community, guys. That's the reason why. So I'm sorry, no thank you. All right. I think it's better than speaking in American accent, which I think it's not perfect, which I think I am trying my best. I don't take that as a fake accent. I'm trying my best. I'm having a hard time trying to talk like American, honestly. I want to talk like them. Because my parents spent a lot of money with my high school, with my college, you know. But even then, we're not from like a very wealthy family like yours, that we don't go to a good college. I know, I don't want to blame my parents though because of that. But still, then with a little amount of education, the knowledge that I've earned, I mean, we are no more in 90s. We are in like 20s already, okay? Like after 5 years, it's gonna be 2030. Can you imagine? So like before, my accent was not like this, honestly. When I speak English, like there's so many saliva is in my mouth that I cannot, because it's too like so heavy, so thick that I cannot speak properly, just so bad. Which I think it's better than before, which I think I'm learning something new, which I don't think American people will laugh at me because of this accent. All right, and I'm working in America, so when I speak to them, when I communicate at my workplace, just like this I am speaking, they appreciate me. They said like, you have a good English, and I'm like, oh, thank you so much. You know, English is not our first language, but we try. I tried, I say. And then, no, compared to other Indian people, no, I'm not trying to shame anybody out there as an Indian, but they said, no, compared to them, you're so good. Keep it up. And thank you so much. I appreciate that. I'm learning. And while I'm working, this is how I'm learning, meeting with new people and speaking with you guys. I've learned a lot. Because before I was not like this, and they started asking me like, so did you guys speak English at home? And I said, not at home, not with my family, but in schools. We have English medium schools where not everybody can afford, right? Like a top school, that means, which my parents spend a lot of money, because for them that's a lot, not like those rich people. And that's my story. When I started speaking to American, to my guests, to the people, they said it's not bad. In fact, guess what? I speak more fluent and like a better accent when I start speaking to the American. It just normally came out. I don't know. And sometimes I'm like, really? So when you say what a pathetic accent, just try to talk normal, no offense. I don't feel offense, but I just want to make sure that you understand. I don't think you are a cruise aspirant. If you are, then I don't think you will have any objection, because you should be focusing on the job details that I am sharing you to encourage so you can get a job. I don't think this is for you, this video, so you better not watch this video. Alright? Okay? So the reason why I'm sharing this video is not because I was upset. Never. I don't give a dang. I'm just gonna keep on making vlog, making videos for the cruise experience. Especially, this is the most important thing, which is the reason why I earn a lot of subscribers, which means a lot to me. So when it comes to job, when it comes to like job knowledge that I want to share, I want to encourage, I am still gonna speak in English just like this I am talking right now. And it happened to be like my own community as well, which is a shame to me. I don't know. Oh my gosh, I'm alone right now in the, okay, let me have a tea first. Cheers. I just noticed today about this comment, and I'm like, because the reason why I noticed this comment is like, I was all alone at home and I was getting bored, and I'm like, let me just check my videos, how I speak, how I talk, or maybe how many views already. And I came across this, and it's like, oh wow, and really? I do reply to them like, oh, thanks for your concern. That's all I can say, because I don't want to fight. And another, firstly, thanks for watching my video. Of course, I really thank that you watch my video all the way from wherever you came from. And then secondly, sorry for making you feel what you feel about my accent. That's thirdly, no offense, but I genuinely don't give a dang. That's what I replied to them, honestly. I think we should encourage each other in the days to come, whatever we do, as long as it doesn't affect to any in our community, to the people. So yeah, let's learn how to encourage people, how to support and spread love, the positive energy, not this kind of negative energy in my YouTube comments. Okay, so I think this is a big lesson for me. Wow, my tea tastes so good today, more than ever. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.